it. So today we're doing our
my average nerf challenge. So let's do this. First thing on my head.
I'm gonna do it good.
First, you know, like this, and then
And the way harder box is not gonna fall. The harder box is not gonna fall. Remember, it's two tough boxes.
no, this box,
And the last one is bigger. You need to shot it really hard. You need to shot. Okay, now give that the point. No, I figured that was not cheating.
Wait.
What the fuck was that?
That's actually 2 points.
Now it's time for a ball. Three balls.
It's gonna be easy.
3 balls. You need to shot one by one by one. 3 bullets. 3 bullets.
Wait, not that one. Get that. Get this one. Get that one. Get that one instead. The last challenge, I shot a spot over.
You're not that close.
Double shot.
Last one, last ball. It's my toughest ball. Cause the gigantic one is tricky. It's the biggest ball Dill would never test before. Yeah, he had a shot. At the last one, he's gonna shot 6 balls. I mean 5. The last he's gonna shot 2 balls and see what they. Let's go. Okay. Now it's time for the next challenge. Now it's time for bigger balls. It's gonna be trickier. 4 balls in the square. But 1, 2, 3. You can move around. Let this ball move around. It's fine. Remember, balls can move. It's tricky. It's tricky. The balls can move.
No, it's free.
Remember? Oh, like one over here.
Yeah.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Are you trying the big one first?
Oh my god.
Nope, you see that, you know. Look at my iPad. Got that.
Okay. Yes, I do.
The last one. Chill. Don't put the apple in. I got it. Now it's time for 2 round 5 ball challenge. is the last stop. What's it about to beat them? Popcorn.
Let me
Hard popcorn.
let me put the ammo in. There's no ammo.
Ammo like a book. Now it's very trickier. Now I have to use the book. Then what ammo? Go down. Go down. No. Now do we need a shot? Take this shot here all the way to the...
One more.
Okay, now we need a shot.
Now we get over there.
Oh, we need to come over here. We need a shot all the way here. Here, all the way there. Not right here, go right here.
Are you?
Let's see what competition begins now. Oh! Check the armor. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! He's doing great! I'm trying to push the back on! Yes! Look at the ammo! His last bullet!
Reno, yes? Lifting out the bullets for the back.
Now is his last chance to get the bullets back for his back outpost. And comment down below! Hold on. Like his guy. Wait first. Like his guy be like Star Wars! Like his guy be like the troopers! Like his guy be like the